y'all, it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and I am making chimichurri sauce with my leftover carrot greens. So I trimmed off these beautiful carrot greens from my carrots that are currently roasting in my oven for dinner, and I hate to throw these away. There are actually so much flavor inside of these, and one of my favorite ways to use the leftover carrots greens is to make chimichurri sauce. So let me show you how I put this together. So I am just chopping up these carrot leaves, and I'm going to discard the stemmy pieces, and I'm just working with the leaves here, and I'm going to take a few more chops through them just to thoroughly mince them up. So I have about a cup's worth of minced carrot greens here that I'm going to add to my bowl. To this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon worth of minced garlic cloves. And I'm going to add a little smidgen of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. A 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And about a teaspoon worth of crushed red pepper flakes. I'm going to mix that around together. All the dry ingredients. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some pepper to this. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to mix that around together. Now you can give it a little bit of a taste test and see if you need a little bit more salt, pepper, or any other kind of seasonings to it. That's good stuff, y'all. You can put this on top of, you can roast your carrots with this on top of it. You can put it on top of fish, on top of grilled meat, on top of chicken, before you roast it or after you roast it. You can do either or. You can toast bread and dip it in it. You can put it in a bowl and eat it by itself. Think I wouldn't, because I totally would. And anything that you would use chimichurri for, you can use this on. And I'm telling you, it's good even as a salad. This is even good mixed inside of rice. You know the microwavable rice that you can get these days, where you just like tear it a little bit and put it in the microwave and cook it. Get that. Get the wild grain, long grain. Get that blend, that one. Mix some of this in with it. It's really, really, really good. So I hope that y'all make this. Don't throw away those carrot greens, carrot ends. Make chimichurri out of it. If you like this recipe, check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com, for many, many more. You can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram, and YouTube at Mrs. Happy Homemaker. And you can follow me on Twitter at That Housewife, because Mrs. Happy Homemaker was too long.